now they're going the blocks all the way up to the window level. Then they're gonna stop and they're gonna put some rebar all the way around and kind of tie it all in. But it's been raining so much, like every single day, so a little bit slower waiting for the truck to get in with the materials, and we've had a lot of papayas die. This used to be a killer papaya. It's just starting to make fruit, but he got all soggy and he fell over. It's kind of sad, actually. We lost all of our papayas, including the massive killer one, but everything else seems to be doing pretty well. These are passion fruit vines called Kalala in Espanol. They make killer fruit. It's almost getting ripe. As soon as it's yellow, then it's ready. The flowers are awesome. Unfortunately, there's none open right this second, but we're really excited for this to get ripe and enjoy it. It's really hard to get greens down here. You pretty much never get green vegetables, so we're going to try growing it ourselves. We researched online for a bunch of spinach and lettuce that was heat tolerant, so we're starting it in seeds, as well as some tomatoes that are good for hot weather, and beans and cucumbers and a couple of corn. We're a little late in the year to really be getting this thing going, but it's sort of just a test and figuring out what works. Ardea. She's in the tomato garden, and last year we planted some tomatoes, but they didn't really go, so this year we're trying again, and they seem to be doing pretty well so far. See how it goes. The good thing about the rainy season is you don't have to really spend any effort watering because it rains every single day, but hopefully it doesn't rain too much and flood them and drown them. Swimming pool. It actually used to be a trash pile, a volcano we called it, where we dump the trash and then burn it. But unfortunately the water table is so high from all the rain that it sort of looks like a really disgusting swimming pool. It's kind of a bummer. We end up having to burn trash outside of the volcano. It's kind of a mess. I'm looking forward to this part drying out. Hi, Maddie. Cola, come here. Come here, good girl.